Good evening, everyone. As part of our activity, we'll be conducting an interview with one of our fellow group mates about their artwork and perspective. And this will help us understand their inspiration, process, and creative expression. And now let's proceed to our fellow group mate, as she will introduce herself to us.
So, I'm Pia Faith Rementiso, 20 years old. I'm choreographer and dancer. I represent Sangka Hip Hop Dance Contest, fifth place in November 8, 2024. Marcos Dance Contest, October 4, 2021. Santo Niño Got Talent, first place. August 14, 2022, Balanghay Dance Contest or Sangkamugna, second place, May 7, 2022, and Jasan Dance Contest like contemporary is fourth place, April 16, 2023. And I choreo the Onao Festival in June 27, 2025.
Okay, thank you for that. And let's proceed to some few questions. And first question is, what inspired you to start dancing, and how did you discover your passion for it?
So I was first inspired to that young age. After watching a live performance at community festival or the energy emotion of storytelling captured through movement made deep impression on me. I started taking class just for fun, but over time I realized that is just my passion more than an hobby. It became my form of expression. It helped me to communicate emotions I couldn't put into words. Oh, then when I discovered it was my passion.
Okay, next question. What style of dance do you usually perform and why did you choose it?
So, I perform contemporary dance. It because it allows for a deep emotional connection and creative freedom. Unlike more modern style like classical, um, classical techniques, it give me flexible to tell story and explore the abstract idea and the connect of the audience on the more personal level. I also dance mix in hip hop, jazz, or anything, but I perform primary temporary dance.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next question, Miss Rementiso, is what challenges have you faced as a dancer and how did you overcome them?
Um, One of the biggest challenges has been self-doubt and comparison. In dance, it's easy to feel like you're not good enough, especially in contest competitive or environments like competitive environments. I also struggle with injuries, made me question whether I could continue this or what helped me to overcome these challenges was building mental illness or resilience. Challenges was building or focusing on my own growth rather than comparing myself to others. Learning to listen to my body support from mentors and fellow dancers also played y- um, huge of role in pushing me to forward.
So, next question. Where did you get your inspiration when making dance steps or routines?
So, inspiration can come from anywhere. Um, Music, nature, or poetry, conversation, or personal experiences. Sometimes a single song lyrics or moment in life spark a whole routine. I also watch other performances and study different style and to expand my creative. Most important is I try to connect emotionally, and most of them is the message I want to convey. The step usually follow once I know and what I want to say to movement.
So for the last question is, what advice can you give to young choreographers who want to create their own dances?
So my advice my advice to give to young choreographer, young choreographer, don't be afraid to experiment and make mistake. That's part of the process. Also study your other choreography and but find your own genre, your unique perspective in your biggest strength. Lastly, be patient and be yourself. Keep creating, and even if you don't feel instantly every day, so even if you don't feel inspired every day, the more you practice, the more you improve, the more confident and original your choreography will become.
So thank you, Miss Faith. I guess that's all for today, and good night, everyone. Yeah.
Birthday, baby.
Thank you, Miss Faith, for the advice.